back to my channel. First, I want to thank you all of you for the incredible support on my last video. We reached 5.1k views in just 2 days and we're almost a family of 1.60k members, and I'm so happy for this. Your support means the world to me and I'm excited to continue this journey with all of you. Today, as promised, I'm sharing a detailed list of questions you might face during your Indigo interview. These questions are straight from my personal diary and I believe they'll help you prepare effectively. So before starting this video, I want to take you your notebook and your pen so you can write it down all of the questions, and I'm damn sure that it will help you during your interview. And after watching this video, if you guys have any doubt and if you want to tell me something, here's my Instagram account. You just guys can text me there. And if you want to ask anything, if you have any question, any doubt, you want to share your interview experience, then just feel free to text me. Okay, so now let's start it. So the very first question is, tell me about yourself. Start with your name, background and a brief summary of your professional journey and highlight key experience and skills that are relevant to the job. Question number 2 is, why should we hire you? Just highlight your unique skills, experience and qualities that align with the job requirements and explain how you can contribute to the company's success. Number 3 is, what's your greatest weakness? Just mention a real weakness but focus on how you are actively working to overcome it, and this shows self-awareness and a commitment to personal growth. Number 4 is, what's your career goal? Describe your long-term career aspiration and how this role fits into your career path. Make sure to align your goals with the opportunities available at Indigo. The question number 5 is, what's your greatest strength? This question is important. Please mark this question as your important question. So you just have to discuss a strength that is relevant to the job and provide specific examples to illustrate it. And this could be a skill, a personal trait or an area of expertise. So the question number 6 is, what's your greatest accomplishment? Just share a proud moment from your career or your personal life and explain the significance of this accomplishment and the impact it had on your others. Question number 7 is, how do you handle conflict? Just explain a situation where you successfully managed a conflict and focus on the steps you took to resolve it and the positive outcome that resulted. Question number 8 is, how do you handle stress? Share your strategies for managing stress effectively. This could be include time management, prioritizing a task or techniques like mindfulness and exercise. Question number 9 is, what are you most proud of? Just talk about a personal or a professional achievement that you cherish and explain why it is meaningful to you and how it reflects your value and abilities. Question number 10 is, what are you passionate about? Mention something that drives you and brings you joy, and this could be related to your career or a personal interest. Question number 11 is, what's make you unique? Just highlight a unique quality or experience that sets you apart from other candidates and explain how the uniqueness can benefit the company. The question number 12 is, how would you describe yourself? Just use positive adjectives and provide examples to support them, and this helps paint a clear picture of your personality and work styles. Question number 13 is, where do you see yourself in next 5 years? This is an important question. Just mark this question as an important question. Discuss your career aspiration and how you plan to achieve them, and show that you have a clear vision for your future and how this role fits into that vision. Question number 14 is, why do you want to work for us? Just show your knowledge about the company and why it appeals to you. Mention specific aspects of the company's culture, value or achievement that resonate with you. Question number 15 is, what motivates you? This is also an important question. Just share that drives you to succeed professionally, and this could be personal fulfillment, desire to help others or a passion for the industry. Question number 16 is, how do you work under pressure? This question is also an important question. Just provide an example of a time you worked well under pressure and explain the situation, the action you took and the positive outcome. Number 17 is, what is your salary range expectation? Just give a realistic salary range based on industry standards and your experience level, and just be prepared to discuss your reasoning if asked. Sorry for the background noises. Question number 18 is, do you have any question for us? Guys, I'm telling you, if HR asks you this question, never reply to them like, no, I don't have any question, I'm okay, thanks for the interview, I don't have any question. Don't reply anything like this. This will create a negative impact in the front of HRs. I'm giving you some topic. Just ask an insightful question about the company's culture. You guys can ask career path or new ventures, and this show your interest in the company and your desire to understand more about the role. The question number 19 is, why cabin crew? This question is an important question. Explain, just explain your motivation for wanting to become a cabin crew member and highlight your passion for customer service, travel and teamwork. Question number 20 is what do you know about the company? Just discuss the company's future plans, destinations, awards and recent news and show that you have done your research and you're genuinely interested in the company. Question number 21 is why do you want to become a cabin crew? Just this question is the most important question. I just talk about your passion for the role and your suitability. Mention how your skills and experience align with the requirement of being a cabin crew member. The question number 22 is why do you want to leave your current company? Guys, if you're working somewhere and you are already in a company, for sure HR will ask you why do you want to leave your current company. You have to give a valid reason to the HR. Just be honest but positive about your reasons for wanting a chance and focus on what you're looking for in a new role and how Indigo can provide that. The question number 23 is what motivates you to become a cabin crew? Share specific reason that drives your interest in the cabin crew role, and this could include your love for travel, meeting new people and providing excellent customer service and all. Number 24 is why customer service in general. Just discuss your love for helping people and providing excellent service and highlight how your customer service skill can benefit Indigo. Question number 25 is why are you perfect fit for the company? Highlight how your skill and value matches the company needs and provide specific example of how you have demonstrate these qualities in the past. Question number 26 is tell me something about teamwork. HR, they can ask this question and just share examples of how you have effectively worked in a team and highlight your ability to collaborate, communicate and contribute to a team success, and that's all. 27 is what are the qualities you should have to become a cabin crew? Mention qualities like communication skills, empathy, problem solving abilities and adaptability. Explain why these qualities are important for the role. The question number 28 is share your happy moment. Talk about your personal or professional moment that made you happy, and this helps to show your positive outlook and ability to find joy in various situations. Question number 29 is what are the challenges of being a cabin crew? Discuss the challenges and how you plan to overcome them and show that you understand the demands of the job and you prepare to meet them. The question number 30 is how did you celebrate your last birthday? Just provide a brief and personal story to show your personality, and this question helps the interviewer get to know you better. The question number 31 is what are your views on traveling? Just share your enthusiasm and experience related to traveling and highlight how your love for travel aligns with the role of a cabin crew member. Question number 32 is tell me about yourself in Hindi. Introduce yourself in Hindi if required by the interviewer, or be prepared to switch languages smoothly and confidently. Question number 33 is talk about your qualities in Hindi. Just mention your positive qualities in Hindi and this show your language proficiency and ability to communicate effectively with a diverse passenger. That's it. Question number 34 is what are the challenges faced by the youth today? I'm giving you some examples. You guys can talk about the topics and discuss discuss issues like unemployment, social media or drug addiction, peer pressure and mental health. Just show your awareness of current social issues. Number 35 is why is cricket overrated in India? Share your opinion on the popularity of cricket in India, and this question tests your ability to express view on culture topics. Question number 36 is what are your views on the current education system? This question is important and just provide a brief analysis of the strength and weakness of the education system and offer constructive suggestions for improvement. 37 is your opinion on technology and the future of AI. Just discuss the impact of AI and technology on future careers and industries. Just highlight the potential benefits and challenges. That's it. Question number 38 is hard work versus smart work. Just explain the importance of working efficiently rather than just putting in long hours and provide examples to illustrate your point. 39 is social media influencer and their impact on youth. Just share your thoughts on how influencers affect young people's lives and discuss both positive and negative impacts. Number 40 is why should we appreciate our culture and tradition? I guess it's an easy question, and you guys just talk about the importance of preserving culture, heritage, and highlight the role of tradition in shaping identity and values. Question number 41 is are leaders born or made? Just share your perspective on leadership qualities and being innate or developed. Provide examples to support your view. Question number 42 is 4-day work week or a pros and cons? I don't know. I also don't know that much about this question, but I guess there's a new rule in a company where you have to work only for 4 days. Don't have to say a lot, just discuss the benefit and challenges of a shorter work week, and I mention how it could impact productivity and work-life balance. Number 43 is your opinion on a cashless society. And as you all know that we are using PhonePe, Paytm to just provide insights into the advantages and drawbacks of going cashless and discuss the implications for different segments of society. Number 44 is OTT platforms versus traditional status. Compare online streaming services with traditional media consumption and highlight the changes landscape of entertainment. Question number 45 is love marriage versus arranged marriage. Share your views on both types of marriages and discuss the pros and cons of each based on culture and personal perspective. Question number 46 is what do you think about social media? Just discuss the positive and negative of social media usage and offer suggestions for responsible and balanced use. 47 is offline versus online shopping. Compare the experience and benefits of both shopping methods and highlight factors like convenience, variety, and customer service. Question number 48 is why is women empowerment important? As we all know that Indigo always support girl power. So they're obviously gonna ask you this question: why is women empowerment important? So just discuss the significance and need for empowering women in today's society and provide examples of how empowerment can lead to positive changes. Question number 49 is what is feminism and why is it important? Explain feminism and its role in achieving gender equality and discuss its importance along with women empowerment. Question number 50 is why is child education important? Just discuss the importance of educating children for future success and highlight how education shapes individuals and societies. Question number 51 is importance of quality education. Emphasize the need for quality education in personal and professional growth and mention how it impacts future opportunities. Question number 52 is would you rather be physically strong or mentally strong? Share your preference and reasoning for choosing either and discuss the benefits of physical and mental strength. Question number 53 is housewives versus working women. Just compare the role and challenges faced by both housewives and working women and highlight the importance of respecting all choices. Guys, मेरा मन कर रहा है जो नीचे बाइक चलाने है इसकी जाके मैं. Question number 54 is night owl versus early bird. Discuss the pros and cons of being a night owl versus an early risers and mention how different lifestyle can suit different people. And that's all for today, and I hope these questions help you prepare your Indigo interview, and remember, practice makes perfect. So take your time to think about your answers. And before we wrap up, I want to hear from you what topics would you like me to cover in my next video, and leave your suggestions in the comment below. And thank you again for your amazing support, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's continue growing together and reach new heights. Go and do follow me on Instagram, just do follow me on Snapchat, and if you want to ask anything, just feel free to text me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.